hand there.
I'm ready. Let's go. It's moving. Oh.
Do you experience low back pain from the gym, from trying to sit on the floor with your kids, or maybe you're sitting at your desk too long, or you just did some yard work? Well, today we're going to show you how we can help you. Okay, so today we're going to start with just feeling his hip height and if one is higher than the other. So right now his right hip is higher than the left. So a couple different things I also want to check is his sacrum or his tailbone, just to see if one is more posterior towards me or not. Lift this leg straight from your hip. Good, relax. And the other side. Good. So his right hip or his right SI joint, sacroiliac joint, was just a little bit more rotated because that leg wasn't lifting quite as high, and that right hip is higher. So I'm going to do a couple of drops first to help even out his pelvis, and then if something there is still stuck and his lumbar is still stuck, we'll address that in just a moment. So with his right hip being high, table's going to come up, and we'll feel a few drops, and then cross this leg over the other one to adjust his SI joint. Good. Relax your legs for me. And then assessing the lumbar spine, I'm just gonna palpate through here and feel if there's any restrictions or even muscular tension more on one side or the other. And with his lumbar spine, there's definitely a little bit more restriction. So his L4 feels rotated. So I'm gonna come around to this side. So the sciatic nerve would also run from that low back down through the hip and down the back of the leg, through the hamstring, down to the foot. Starts at right here in the low back. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath and breathe out towards the nice. Good. And then I'll have you sit up at the end. So his low back just moved. We cleared that L4. Running smooth from top to bottom.
Oh, wow. That was great.
Good. One more deep breath.
Oh.
Here in our office, we will do manual adjustments. We'll use the instrument, or we use this decompression table to help open up your lower back, decompress that spine, get more fluid and hydration into those disc spaces, and therefore relieving pressure off the sciatic nerve or any other nerves in the low back to help relieve your pain.
That was great. Oh.